Hey guys, this is your next assignment. It's going to be a 3D box, so you can put a candle in it, so it's a candle box. Go ahead and get your sheet from the front of the room that says 3D box, and I'll tell you how to do that right now. After you get your sheet from the front, you notice there are two sides. The front is for 3 sketch ideas, and the back is for your final concept. As you can see on my final, on the right, that I only used 4 symmetrical shapes. 2 sides symmetrically, and then the other 2 sides symmetrically. Keep your shapes simple and try not to use more than 4 shapes per side. Your focus is unity. The glass should feel and look like it belongs together. Use any color scheme you'd like. I use complementary colors on mine. When choosing glass, use cathedral transparent glass. Maybe a light wispy glass. Clear textured glass is okay as well, but make sure the candlelight shows through it. Stay away from fully opalescent glass or heavy wispy glass because you need that candlelight to shine through. When you finish with your final drawing, please turn that into the instructor so they can make a copy of it in AV. You will get your master and your clone back the next day so you can go ahead and start your project. Don't forget, when you cut out your patterns, use regular scissors to cut out the outside and then use pattern shears to cut all your shapes. Now we'll go ahead and glue, cut, grind, foil. So now that I have all of my pieces cut, grinded, sometimes twice, and they fit perfectly because I want nice straight edges that line up because these have to fit nicely and they have to be a box. Now I can go ahead and start foiling. And remember, use the ask for the silver-backed copper foil, okay? All right, here we go. Okay, now that you're at this point where you foiled everything, you have everything taped down on your master pattern, go ahead and check to make sure all of your edges are straight. If they're off a little bit, make sure you put them back in and tape it back down because it'll mess up your box when you put everything together. Go ahead and get a board from the back, and we're gonna go ahead and put this on top of the board. Well, I'm gonna have to fix that one there. Because when we solder it, we're gonna tack it onto here and then put it together.